guys, I'm Abigail Ekweghi and you're welcome back to today's wider hips and bum stretches. This is a mobility workout to help with muscle recovery after a booty and hips workout, and this also helps for blood circulation on the hip muscle to help it grow a lot better after you've done intense training, maybe like lifting or any other body training. You just need to stretch them to increase blood circulations and actually make them function a lot better. It also helps the muscle recover a lot faster. That way you can perform another workout. So you could do this before and after a workout program. So the first move we're beginning with here is you coming on your back. So I like you to bring your legs straight up, hold your toes, gently alternate bringing them back and forth with each other. Quickly move on to widening the legs apart, drag both legs to the side and close them up. Just repeat that for a few seconds. This helps with your inner thigh and also a little on your hamstring, and also it helps with the side of those hips as well. So get it back to rocking it front and back. Next, I want you to wrap your hands across both foot and then pull those legs in front of you as close to your chest as possible. Hold there for a few seconds. Release and then have one leg placed on the thigh of the other one. Then rock, do a jerky movement, bringing them in front. You can hold on to the ankle of the one that is straight and pull that one. So you want to hold there for a few seconds, alternate, switch legs and do the same thing on this other side. You should feel the stretch on your hip muscle. Quickly, let's move on to the next stretch here. You want to stand up straight and just bend forward. Stretch off the hamstrings and try to touch your toe. Go as slow as possible. If you can't reach to your toe, that's also very fine. And then I want you to bend down to a squatting position and try to rock yourself forward and back. This stretches the inner thigh, your hamstrings, the side of your glutes and actually your hip muscles. So hold here for a few seconds, move side to side just to get a little bit of the stretch on those side booty, and you can keep your hands in front depending, or bring it back, whichever one is comfortable for you. That's absolutely great. And then slowly bring your hands in front close to the foot and raise off your hip. Take it to almost a tabletop position and get it down. Slowly release yourself and come down to a sitting position with your legs all pulled in together in front. What I want you to do next is to try to get the side of your legs to touch the floor. You can also press your hand on your nail, in between your nails, and try to push them down. It's just a way to just increase the mobility on those areas. Next, you want to sit with your legs coiled inside and then try to bend forward and just stretch off those lower back, the bum, and you should feel this also on the hip muscle of the leg that is coiled in and the one that is extended at the back. So just switch leg and hold for the next few seconds. You're doing great actually. Remember, you don't need to really bend so low. Go as low as you could hold. Next, I want you to come to a frog sit. This helps with the hip muscle and actually helps with the flexibility on the inner thigh. And yes guys, if you're new here on my channel, make sure you're subscribed and turn on the bell, and also like and share this video. You can also download my free nutrition guide, which is on my website. I will leave the link in the description below so you can get it. It's free and helps you with your eating to see results with your training, your glute training and body goals. You can bend forward like this and hold there for a few seconds. If not, that's absolutely okay to just remain at your current position so you don't hurt yourself, and with time you can progress. So go ahead and extend one of the legs to the side and bend forward at the moment. Just bend it and stretch off those legs that is coiled to the back. Then switch leg and repeat the same motion on the other leg. And so guys, that's where we wrap it up for today. I hope you did enjoy the video. Please be sure to subscribe, like and share this video, and also let me know in the comment section if you did enjoy the stretch, if it was easy, because some of you have said my other stretch video was a little too harder, but this is a mobility workout for you. You can start off with it before you do the booty training or any lower body workout you do, and you can end with it. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.